That was awful offense. There's no question it was awful offense. It was, no, I mean, in all seriousness, it was. And I think it should be a concern for Jacksonville. And not only was it bad offense, but they were trying to script for success for Blake Bortles. A ton of screen game, a bunch of low-risk passes, things that were easy. I understand there was some wind there, but they were not aggressive throws in terms of stuff down the field, things that should have been high degrees of difficulty. He just plain was missing and was bad.
Absolutely.
And that's a problem for them going forward. I think we all understand that. But he had a stretch, weeks 13 through 15, where he was outstanding.
Yeah.
This was a far departure from that.
It was really good that he was a dual threat today, Ryan. You know what I'm saying? That he has that to fall back on. He said in his press conference, there's nothing better than having that fallback plan. When you know you don't have the fastball, use the legs, and that's what he did today.
Listen, when you look at this team, obviously defense has carried this team throughout the season, but you heard Tim talk about weeks 13 through 15 when they were playing at home. It seemed like Blake got into a rhythm.
Right.
You can't go beat the Pittsburgh Steelers if you can't score points. And don't expect Ben Roethlisberger to throw 5 interceptions as he did the last time that these two teams faced each other. If you can't score points, if you can't find a way to make this game difficult for the Pittsburgh Steelers offensively, you don't have a chance to win. And if Blake Bortles can't complete easy passes, they're in trouble next week.
So we can joke about Blake Bortles running, but he actually did run the ball very effectively.
Listen, one of the comparisons with him coming out of college was with Ben Roethlisberger because of his size and inability to be mobile and try to create. And it was the difference in the football game for them, plain and simple.